Guys, one day I'm gonna let you know about my story. Like, I'm still thinking, oh, am I gonna have a book? I'm just like, because I don't know how to explain myself, but if I look back where I'm coming from and like where I am now, I'm just saying, like, it's just the grace of God, guys. It's just the grace of God. I don't want to lie to you. And you know, trust God. One day I'm gonna let you know my story, Yeah. Je vais partager ma journée d'aujourd'hui. Ce que j'ai fait, j'ai déjà mangé, je ne vais pas mentir. J'ai déjà mangé. J'ai mangé le poulet. Donc là où je suis en train de faire les recherches. Je vais apply. En même temps, je veux sortir pour aller prendre l'argent. Voilà, je voulais commencer le vlog le matin, mais j'étais fatiguée, j'étais très 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 fatiguée. Donc je vais un peu regarder. Ma chambre est toujours sale. Imaginez. Donc je vais arranger ça peut-être demain parce que je suis toujours fatiguée. Je suis toujours fatiguée. Oh! Il y a le bruit dehors. Naïveté, il y a des gens là. Tant on va les gars, ils font du bruit. Regardez. Je sais pas si vous pouvez regarder. Depuis ici, tu peux les entendre. Donc, ils font du bruit, mais pas possible. Ils font du bruit, mais pas possible. Donc, je suis là. Je vais appeler... je vais appeler mon frère. Pourquoi il décroche pas? Je sais pas pourquoi il décroche pas.
Allô?
Allô?
Oui.
Allô?
Oui.
Ça va?
Mais tu m'as appelé, non?
Oui?
Je t'écoute.
Tu vas bien?
Ouais, sûrement l'argent. Je sais que tu vas m'envoyer l'argent.
J'ai pas l'argent. Je voulais juste que tu puisses saluer mes abonnés.
Il est salué.
Oui, dire bonjour, bonsoir à mes abonnés.
Ah, comment ça?
Au téléphone?
Salut les abonnés.
Dis salut. Donc, ok. Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you too.
Okay. Donc, là, j'ai fini. J'ai fini de causer avec mon frère. Et là, je vais sortir. En fait, je vais d'abord descendre. Quand je finis de descendre, qu'est-ce que je suis en train de dire du n'importe quoi. Je vais descendre pour... J'ai laissé les assiettes là-bas. Je vais descendre pour laver les assiettes. Après là, on va... Je sais pas si on va faire ça ensemble. Je vais sortir. Mais je sais pas comment je vais faire. Parce que je peux pas. vais arriver à faire ça ensemble. Je descends. Voilà. Ici en bas, je vais laver les assiettes. Donc, je coupe ça d'abord ici. Ce qui est là, je ne sais pas si vous voyez ce que je suis en train de faire. Ok. C'est un peu ça. Je le mets dans le frigo. Je finis, je prends mon téléphone, je vais request avant de m'asseoir. Je vais m'asseoir de l'autre côté. C'est ici que je vous ai dit, c'est mon coin préféré. Je vais m'asseoir ici. Souvent, je m'assois ici. C'est très très bon. J'adore le jeu là.
I wanted to say thank you so much for all the support on like the other episodes, and more episodes like that is coming, but I just wanted to bring more guests of, like, especially this is like a sisterhood podcast, so what better way than to bring my sisters. I have all my other sisters on it too, so this is a very special and exciting one, because the reason why she's here today is because we're talking about relationships, and I know I don't talk about it that much, but she's the perfect person to sit here for us to talk about. So today we're talking all about, like, how can we prep to be a wife?
Who's calling me?
Like, what can we do now? As technically, she won't disagree. We're technically single.
Who's calling me?
As in our 20s, like when we don't have a lot of responsibility, we don't have children, we're not mothers. Like, what
Hi.
characteristics and everything like that. But we're gonna make it fun.
Where are you?
We're gonna do some icebreakers. Leah has no idea. Oh, did I say her name?
Where are you?
I'm home. Where are you?
I'm basically home.
Who's talking behind?
TV.
Like, I'm hearing people talking. You're not alone, no? Are you with your friends?
It for this one.
Nobody wants to date now because everybody wants to be independent. It's so important to like prep before we, dive into the next huge chapter of like what characteristics, Proverbs 31 women, like things that we look up to practice while, we have the freedom and the not so much of a responsibility.
Have them exactly how you want them, so you don't
Yeah.
have to try to change somebody.
I don't want to train another person. Don't keep it low just because you think like the bar is below. It's 6 feet under the ground. When someone opens the door for you, you think that's your husband.
Having friends.
Oh, having
Yeah.
friends.
My boyfriend he's my friend too, but like having other friends who can cater to other needs that I have that my boyfriend doesn't have to. Like, doesn't feel like overloaded. I can work to my sister.
When older couples talk about it, like you need someone outside of that person. That person can be your therapist and also your husband, to have your own thing, your own hobby, something you could almost go to not be like, oh yeah, I'm only a mother. Talking about it instead of like silent treatment it's part of communication.
Yes.
But something I need to work on.
Exactly.
So you can we do that? Yes! I just said that. Made it odd to see who's gonna win, okay? You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so
So guys,
childhood
I'm
crush.
leaving.
Who's my childhood crush and who's your childhood crush? Think of a person and then we're gonna like say it. Okay.
Wait.
Who's your
I want to
Think
book.
of my childhood
Yes,
crush.
I know.
And then
I'm gonna say yours and yours.
go to the mall
Just like that. Like I know
and come back.
but that one
Yes, I
that
know.
you remember.
I have things to do. I have to fix
You
my
can describe him too, like, cause I don't even remember the guy's last name. But it's
Okay, okay.
celebrity. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You
I know
have
his
your
last
answer
name.
too?
Yes.
I have mine and yours. Okay, ready? For Leah, it's Brian Sheckle. Yes, it was. Okay.
I feel like oh, we better.
I know, right? I just
That's
didn't
right,
have
that's
that. Okay.
What's his name? Something brand.
I'm doing in
Russell
driver.
Brand. I know it's random. I would never. He's not my crush anymore. Okay,
Still
so
hurt
it's
you,
1-1. Okay. Guilty pleasure show. What's my guilty pleasure show and yours? Yeah, you have to think
Movie.
like.
Can I do movie?
Okay, you can do movie. Like something I watch over and over though. That's
Yes,
like the thing.
yes.
Like, until
Okay,
I
think
had to do
movie. And
Yeah.
mine is very obvious. But
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, for
You-
you, Survivor.
Okay.
Is it not?
No, it is.
Oh.
But that's not what I was thinking.
Girl, then I got it wrong. What were you?
I don't
thinking?
wanna change. I'm gonna.
A wife
So,
and everything
I need
like
to
that?
go.
Like I already know how to take care of myself.
Myself, I'm tired.
First, can I piggyback on that? And like taking care of yourself.
Yeah.
That one podcast that I was listening to, we were talking about how once you get into a relationship, like people tend to like be like, I have a man.
Yeah.
You know, like I don't
That's all I
have to
need,
get ready. Like I don't have to. But we were talking about how like even like a man to a woman or a woman to a man being dressed or putting on little makeup or doing this and like makes a huge difference
Yeah.
in your relationship. Like it makes it feel like you're trying